heck? This package. Don't open until 1985. What the heck? Well, all right. That's over there. Let's get to 1985. All right, guys, we have made it. 1985, baby. Oh, let's get out of here. Oh, let's get out of here. Oh my, what a crazy ride that was. All right, we decided to come inside. It's a little bit windy out, so much easier for everybody to see this. Again, a huge thanks to everybody that's follows, subscribes. We are eternally grateful. So here we are. Again, I've never received one of these before, but I've seen them before. This is a packaged by Rick card. I think most of the ones that come packaged by Rick, all the ones I've seen have had Rick's name on them. So thank you, Rick. I won't read this entire thing to you, but you can. All you have to do is Google it. It'll pop up, but a letter from the YouTube CEO, basically saying what an accomplishment that this is, which I agree. Very excited for this. So without further ado, in all its glory, yay. Let's get it out of the packaging here. It's really well packaged, so there it is in all its glory. Silver play button to DeLorean Rental. Very, very, very cool. I know these come with, I think you can buy extra awards if you need them. I think that's what that is or whatnot. But again, want to give everybody a huge shout out for all of our subscribers. It's been a long time coming. I think it's been 4 or 5 years that we've had this channel, and really put an emphasis on it over the last couple years. So a huge thank you to everybody that subscribes. And now, without further ado, we have a very special message from one of the cast members of Back to the Future, Leah Thompson. So Leah, take it away.
Howdy, this is Leah Thompson. I played Lorraine McFly in Back to the Future. And I just wanted to send a huge congratulations to DeLorean Rental for hitting an incredible milestone, 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Your dedication to keeping the spirit of the DeLorean and Back to the Future alive is amazing. And clearly so many people agree. 100,000 of them exactly. Here's to even more adventures, milestones, and trips back in time. Keep it up. You're making Hill Valley proud. Your dreamboats for sure.
All right, everyone. And thank you, Leah. That was very kind of her to send us that message. Again, we've been fortunate enough to work with several of the cast members, Michael J. Fox, Christopher Lloyd, Leah Thompson, Tom Wilson. I mean, the list goes on. Claudia Wells, worked with her several times. She's fantastic. Jeffrey Wiseman. Again, the list goes on. We've been very, very fortunate. So to everybody we've worked with, continue to work with, we work with in the future, thank you so, so much. Everybody's been just amazing since we started the company in 2020, late 2019 into 2020. It really has been a dream come true to be able to do this and bring the DeLorean to you guys on a daily basis. So thanks again. Look forward to more fun content in the future. Stick around, subscribe. It's going to be a fun ride. We'll see you on the next episode.